Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the match supports Attack Shark X11 and that your client is updated. This avoids unexpected glitches. Next, equip the X11 loadout into your primary slot and place a mobility consumable in a quick slot so you can reposition fast. Once done, bind the core activation to a reachable key or button and test a single press to confirm a half-second response. This initial setup reduces input lag and prepares you to execute the technique immediately. You perform the core by dashing forward to close distance, then pressing the X11 primary to start the strike. This maximizes damage on contact. After the first hit, chain 2 quick directional cancels to maintain momentum and preserve your aim on the target. This is why timing matters more than raw speed. Make sure to watch the heat and cooldown meters and end the chain before you hit 20% overheat so you don't become locked out. Practicing the rhythm improves consistency under pressure. You finish the sequence by tucking back immediately after the final hit to avoid counters and create space for recovery. This secures your gains. If you took significant damage, use a healing consumable when your HP falls below 35% so you can re-engage safely. If the X11 activation fails, first rebind the key and reload the X11 loadout, then check for conflicting mods or patched mechanics. If problems persist, restart the client. This usually clears transient input or state errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.